Hello and welcome to the class once again. This morning we look at the economic batch quantity, EBQ. EBQ, or the economic batch quantity, is a quantity that is supposed to be produced by a manufacturing firm which manufactures the raw materials for use in its production. Once again, the economic batch quantity is a quantity that is said to be manufactured by manufacturing companies which produce their own items for use in the final production. If they have a demand of 100,000 units, the annual demand, for example, and the daily demand for the items is 40 units, and then we are also producing daily production of 50 units in the same company. We are producing 50 units, but we require 40 units every day. The annual demand is given as 100,000. And we also told the setup costs. The cost of setting up the production machine is 400 shillings. The cost of setting up the machine is 400 shillings. We are required to get the EOQ, or economic batch quantity, EBQ, the economic batch quantity, and this is given by the formula, the square root of 2ds over 1 minus d out of p. Remember, D, the capital D is the annual demand, and the S is the setup costs. Then we have the ratio 1 minus d over p, and d being the daily production. That's the daily demand, and then we have the production, daily demand over daily production, daily demand over daily production. Therefore, we shall insert our figures and we shall say this should be the square root of 2 multiplied by the demand, which is 100,000, and then we also multiply with 400 as our setup cost, and then we shall divide by 1 minus d. D is 40 per day, and then p is 50 per day. This now becomes the square root of 8 million divided by 0.2, and this gives me the square root of 400 million, and that gives me 20,000 units. This becomes the economic batch quantity, and this is given or known as the quantity to be produced by a given company that will minimize the total cost of production and total cost of setting up. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you.